So guys, welcome back to another episode of the homemade Ferrari 488 GTB replica build. Currently, I will be proceeding with the back aspect for the project. So now, after that I am done with the cutting of it, I'm trying to curve it for the fender to the back tire. I will have to bend it to give me the shape of the tire. So let's see what we can do with this. So now actually I have been trying to like make the back frame, like I am trying to build the back frame, and I can tell you that this is very like, it is very, should I say very hard, or it is hard. I've been like checking out the picture and the 3D dimension for the Ferrari 488, and now this is my current progress on this. Maybe like the back will actually look like this, as a back frame. This is where I should, this is how I should start before I can move back. I can move forward with the back aspect, like where the tail light is actually going to be. So and now also I am having a doubt, because actually I haven't seen a real Ferrari before, and also the like measurement I have got good online, it actually says 38 inches from the ground clearance to the up, and also like 32 inches, it says 32 inches, and this one is like 33 to 34 inches. So I'm still having a doubt, maybe this is actually so low, or you see it looks so low, but I'm still having a doubt, maybe it is low, maybe I still have to amend it. But that is when like I continue with the other aspect for it. That is when I will actually know maybe it is so low, because if I had to like keep continuing with the back aspect like this, it will like, this will actually ruin my mental health, because I have been sitting maybe more than 5 hours trying to find a way to build, to perfect this, and it has been a long thing for me. So the next thing I will be proceeding is actually this place. From here is actually I will have to like find a iron rod here. It actually has some design, so I will have to design them accordingly, and also I will have to like find a way for me to make them perfect, since if it is not even 100% perfect, actually I lack the tool, I lack the money, I lack the experience, but I'll still like find a way to make it at least 50% or 40% make it looks like a 488 GTB Ferrari. So guys, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment your opinion. That is so important, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned for another next video.